Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Moss aka Savage Trades, and today is the 29th of January. I'm back with another trade recap. Last week only traded once and had to just didn't really get a chance to trade the rest of the days. So I was still adjusting back to my regular sleep schedule today, and yeah, so basically only traded Monday last week, but today we're back again, and today's the last Monday of the month, and today only traded Airbnb, and a beautiful trade today on Airbnb. Really just one trade, quick scalp on Airbnb, and let's go ahead and dive into what I was seeing and what was my thought process. So coming into the chart here, as you can see, the weekly looked very nice here. Kind of broke this kind of a resistance here, trend line if you want to call it, making as well as making higher highs and as well as making higher lows. And on the daily, on the multiple time frame analysis, it just looked really nice for me to take the trade. And yeah, it just looked overall very beautiful. Candle here as well, strong volume here right off Friday's close. And if we look at the 4 hour and the hourly, very nice strong candles as well. And yeah, that's basically my thesis was that once I saw this, I just basically plotted my levels here. Basically, the smaller dotted ones are the intraday levels to the 4 hour ones, and the thicker ones are weeklies and daily. So yeah, what I was watching for was this hold above 150 here on the ticker for a quick scalp to 150, 150, or 153, 153.37. So yeah, basically that's what happened. Oh, let me give me a second here. What the? Okay, that's interesting. Anyway, okay, that makes sense. Yeah, I thought I had something mistaken here, but anyway, yeah. So that's basically what I was watching for. So right off the open, we opened at 150 here. The opening candle was literally right at 150, and I was looking at the tape here. I saw some strength. I waited for a second here. For a moment, we were hesitant, but if we go ahead and slap on the VWAP that I use and some of the small 9 and a 21 EMA that I used, I was like, you know what? Volume looks great on the 5 minute. 1 minute looks great as well. So let me go ahead and enter two contracts of the 155 calls right here, and basically wrote them all the way, to 153.37. I was aiming to ride it to originally to 155 if we could get it, so I could be in the money. And that's basically what I did. That's basically what I had in mind. But price reversed. But either way, I got a very nice trade, and I'm happy in terms of my trade management, overall execution. My being able to read the tape really well. And as you guys can see, entered the two contracts 159, trimmed one right here at the top 250, and then I waited here to see if we get a VWAP pullback, so that we might potentially continue. So if we came back here, then we might continue towards the 155 area, but that didn't really happen. And yeah, I had my stop loss set right here as soon as we broke VWAP, exited at 182, and yeah, that's pretty much netted me about 114 bucks on a day. Definitely went aggressive on this in terms of the account size, I would say, because I was just looking for a quick scalp, and I knew what I was really looking for. I knew what I was going for, so that's why I was very quick on my feet, and I was ready to hit my stop loss and my take profit levels. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing too crazy. Just a multiple time frame analysis setup here. Really, just looked really good on time frames, on all time frames for the upside, and just really keeping it simple. Nothing too crazy. At the end of the day, the overall structure of the play didn't really work out how you wanted to, but I still caught something. And as a scalper, I'm happy with that. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. And thank you. Catch you guys on the next one. And yeah.